Isa sa type of philosophies of education ang progressivism. So ano nga ba ito? So from the word itself, progress, meaning my growth and development. So paano? So kapag progressivist teacher ka, you are more focused on the skills. You are more focused on the skills kasi sa tingin mo, ito yung mas kailangan para mas maging maunlad ang ating society. So, papasok na dito ang learning by doing by John Dewey. So, bakit nga ba ang teachers are more focused on the skills? So, kapag progressivist teacher ka, you believe and you accept the impermanence of life. So, walang permanente sa mundo. And the only permanent is change. So, lahat nagbabago. And it is inevitable. That's why progressivist teachers are more focused on the teaching of the skills and the processes of gathering and evaluating information and problem solving, ganyan. So that's why schools, lalong-lalo na yung progressivist schools, yung subject nila ay nakafocus or binibigyan nila ng emphasis yung subjects na natural and social sciences.